Shield ink blobs. So basically, if you guys seen the video before this, we have some cool little ink blobs that form underneath the Derm Shield when we use for tattoo aftercare. So basically, when we're doing the tattoo and we use Derm Shield, what the Derm Shield actually does is it traps your white blood cells underneath the actual wrap itself and keeps that plasma and everything against your own skin. So that's what's healing your tattoo a lot faster. And that way, when we do take it off, we use antibacterial soap to clean it. It makes it so your tattoo does not get any scabs, and basically it's healed within 3 to 4 days. Quick, easy, to the point, especially if we're doing a lot of trauma to the skin. But somebody brought up the point on what do we do if we're not doing Derm Shield. So if your guys' tattoo shop or your tattoo artist that you guys currently have now doesn't actually use Derm Shield, if they're wrapping it, being lazy about it, just wrapping it in saran wrap or something like that, not really putting a bandage on it, you're being, let's just say that all of the responsibility for the tattoo healing and the tattoo aftercare is on you now. The tattoo artist has done their job, they really don't care. Here at Reefside, we like to make sure that your tattoo heals good because we always do free touch-ups. So, if you guys are not using the Derm Shield, what do you do? Here at Reefside Tattoo, what we do is we recommend what's called a 3 and 3, okay? Now the 3 and 3 we recommend is 3 days of Derm Shield, okay? And then you'll take that off, antibacterial soap it, give it 15 minutes to, air dry after you clean it. And then those last 3 days, you're gonna switch over to like a unscented lotion, basically like a Lubriderm, basically. So the 3 and 3 process that we recommend is 3 days Derm Shield, which is a big bandage that traps white blood cells, and then 3 days unscented lotion. Now, if we're not using the Derm Shield, what do? We recommend Aquifer, okay? So the first 3 days, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use Aquifer, maybe once, maybe twice a day. Each night, you're gonna be taking a nice hot shower. You're gonna use antibacterial soap every single day. If you have to, wash it twice a day, okay? Soap and water, keep it clean, get a nice layer of Aquifer on there, do that for the first 3 days, and then you're gonna switch again to a unscented lotion like Lubriderm for the remaining 3 days after that. Now, the reason for this, Aquifer is a petroleum-based product that basically saturates the skin, and what happens is when it saturates the skin, it clogs all your guys' your blood vessels and all your pores. They all get clogged on the top, so it has to saturate. Naturally, the tattoo ink is going to saturate when you put any type of petroleum product on the top of it, okay? That's why we recommend you use a petroleum product for the first 3 days, like Aquifer, okay? We're letting that tattoo soak into your skin. It's really good for it, okay? Now, when we have you switch over to unscented lotion, okay, we do 3 days to let the tattoo soak. If you go past that and you keep letting it soak, again, you're being susceptible to trapping bacteria into it. There's a lot of things that you don't want to do. You want to let it soak in for 3 days, and then you want to switch over to the unscented lotion. That way it actually flakes off that top layer of skin and causes it to regrow. Most people don't know this, but lotion has an acid base in it. When you apply lotion to your skin, what it does is it actually dries out that top layer of skin. It makes it flake off. That's how you get baby smooth skin each and every time that you apply lotion on it. It's not moisturizing your skin. It's moisturizing and technically using an acid base to burn off the top layer of skin, causing your body to regrow another layer of skin, okay? That's why we tell you to switch over to an unscented lotion, okay? So, again, just to reiterate, here at Reefside Tattoo, we use Derm Shield for 3 days. After 3 days, we'll switch you over to an unscented lotion for 3 days, okay? That's our 3 and 3 process for Derm Shield. If you are not using Derm Shield, again, what we recommend is using Aquifer for 3 days only, and then switching over to an unscented lotion, kind of like Lubriderm again. We have to tell you it's unscented because if I tell you to use a scented lotion that you have at home, you have a reaction to it, whose fault is that, guys? Exactly. That's why we tell you unscented. But other than that, that was a great question that we just had one of our clients bring up, and that is basically what you do in between both healing. So if you guys are using Derm Shield, that's the #1 aftercare that we 90% of the time always recommend. Derm Shield again is a latex-free adhesive. Some artists use Sanoderm. Do some research, guys. Sanoderm is actually really bad for you. It's for burn victims, and it has a latex-based adhesive. A lot of people's skin has a huge reaction. You'll get a chemical burn from the latex adhesive, so be careful with Sanoderm. But Derm Shield is again vegan-free, and it is a latex-free based adhesive, so that it's a lot more easier on your skin. We don't have any issues here. Again, we like to focus on high-quality tattoos, so we're kind of expanding everything. We're why guys. So we're not going to tell you things just to tell you things. If your tattoo artist is trying to tell you to use Aquifer for the whole week, ask him why, and then do the research yourself. Again, Aquifer is a petroleum-based product. All it does is saturates the skin and clogs your pores, guys. If you have any dirt or any bacteria on that tattoo and you put a good, nice layer of that petroleum-based product on your skin, what are you doing? You're trapping bacteria under the skin. So again, Make sure it's nice and super clean before you guys put that bacteria trapping substance called, Aquaphor on top of that tattoo. Again, this is why we like to use the Derm Shield, because we'll super clean the tattoo after the process is done. And then we know that you're super clean. We slap that bandage on there. You guys have no problems. You can go and do what you want. At the end of the day, your tattoo's still clean. You're not susceptible to getting any infections because it's keeping all the dirt out. It's just a lot safer, hands down. But again, this video is about what to do if you weren't using Derm Shield versus the 3-in-3 Aquaphor versus unscented lotion. But yeah, that was really it, guys. So peace. I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, come on down. Come get tattooed. Ringside Tattoo. Later, guys.